I will explain how to start, stop, and check the status of HANA database. I am logged in with SID ADM user. Now, first let us check the status of the database with command sdb info. As you can see, all the services are running. That means database is up and running. Now, let's try to check the version of this database. This is the version of HANA database. Now let us start and stop HANA database. Since database is already running, first we will stop the database and we will start the database. Command is sap control -nr. Nr is for instance number, which is 00 here, dash function and followed by stop. Now check sdb info. If you see, the services have started going down. Let us check how much is the memory consumed by HANA database right now. Used memory is around 14 GB right now. Wait for some time until it gets free and then start the database again. To start the database, command is sdb sap control nr00 function start. Now check sdb info. If you see, the name server is getting started, compile server is already started, preprocessor is started, access engine is started, and now the index server is getting started. So we can go to the location cd trace and check the logs. Go inside the database for checking the logs of index server and check the index server logs. It shows the database is started. Now check the status info, or you can also check if all the services are running or not using sap control command. Control. So you can use get process list. So the command is SAP control -nr 00 function get process list. So as you can see, all services are up and running. So database is started. Now if you run SAP control -nr 00 type in function and stop, and now if you run this command of SAP control nr function get process list, you will see services are getting down and they are yellow now. So all services are stopped. Now let us start SAP control -nr 00 function start. Now see, services are getting started.